Hi, this is Sinu Joseph from Youth for Seva. Youth for Seva is a forum that connects hundreds of volunteers to government schools, orphanages and NGOs. Often volunteers encounter children who have a lot of talent, but they come from backgrounds where the possibility of a brighter future seem pretty dim, be it due to lack of resources, lack of encouragement, or simply because a vegetable vendor's child doesn't dream of anything beyond owning his own pushcart, or a laborer's child doesn't even think of anything beyond becoming a mason. That is how Sponsor a Child came into being, to enable children to dream. Sponsor a Child is so much more than just another sponsorship program. It has a unique thinking, a novel idea, a rarely seen way of functioning, and a truly genuine effort by so many individuals.
I would like to get into the act of sharing, caring and sharing. And if these children whom I am sponsored, if they are even more successful, I feel that an extended family is even more successful.
We cannot always depend on government to do everything. Every individual should be able to do something what we can do. When you are able to do something, when you know what is the advantage in being educated, we should pass on that to the underprivileged children.
Although we accept donations throughout the year, it is in the month of February that volunteers kickstart the donor enrollment drive by setting up Sponsor a Child kiosks in their premises. We realized that rather than spending a big amount of money on campaigns and publicity material, we could use the internet and still have the same or better impact. Thanks to hundreds of people like you, we managed to rope in more donors.
They spent around 6,000 for a child's education. I was also associated with other NGOs earlier where I have seen the administrative cost being like 50%. I had the report, in that it was almost like 10% or so, which was the administrative cost.
Recently I called up around 700 donors, and calling up each one was such a unique experience. I enjoyed it so much that never once did I feel bored of doing the same, calling up each and everyone individually. The response we got from their side was so good that I really enjoyed my day.
Today at Youth for Seva, we are happy to announce that 90% of the funds received reach the needy child directly to help them get a brighter future. Every July, children and their parents are asked to visit the office and furnish the required documents and receive the sponsorship amount.
I feel I'm fortunate enough where my parents could give me higher education and I can stand upright in today's competitive world. I want to see my next generation fellow brothers and sisters to be on the same position. I can spread my word of mouth to them and let them know what they can do to this society.
Thousands of children are still waiting, but if each one of us take responsibility for at least one child, it would be a formidable step towards an achievable goal. Listen to your heart and stop not. Please do spread the message. Talk to your family and friends. Every bit surely helps. Join hands to give children the future they deserve.